And coming up again is Varun Berry, who's MD Britannia Industries, and he would join us when we get back for a detailed talk. Welcome back, and let's also welcome in Varun Berry, who's Managing Director, Britannia Industries, and he joins us now on the show. Varun, hi, welcome. With much of your raw materials like wheat and sugar and edible oil prices have seen some correction this year, has it improved any margins for you?
Actually, prices have not declined. If you look at our Q1 P&L, you will see that our inflation in that quarter was fairly high. It was almost 9%, but that was because the same quarter last year the prices were really low. So we expect inflation in material prices to be in the range of 6 to 6.5%. The only good news is that it's in a controllable zone. It's not a fluctuating market for material prices, and it's always easy to operate with with prices clearly moving in a stable zone. So yes, it's going to be stable. Material prices are going to be stable, and that's going to give us that is giving us a benefit. You've seen it in the first quarter.
Fair point, Varun. Yes, the food inflation is still on the elevated levels, but what's your sense on the prices now going forward for commodities like sugar, wheat and oil?
I'm not a commodity expert to give you outlooks, but what we've been seeing is that we've been seeing oil prices coming down, wheat prices are starting to go up now. So, but I do think that this is going to be a year where we'll be able to have a margin on how the prices are going to go up. So it's not going to be a fluctuating, volatile kind of a market.
Volatile it sure is, Varun. If you look at the markets today, we have seen very strong gains come back in case of most of these agriculture commodity prices. But one thing about the sugar prices, they are down now, but with the UP mills in heavy losses and there are still expectations of lower output next season, what's the strategy that you are planning here?
No, we are not looking at any strategic intent of buying sugar for a longer period of time. It's a market which we've got to watch carefully, and we don't want to take any punts at this point in time.
Sure point, Varun. Thank you so much for joining us with your sense on all of those commodities and of course how they impact Britannia as well. With that, let's move on to some other news then. And the Forward Market Commission has said that the crisis hit NSCL